acid fast organisms. So to start off with a few questions. Name the acid fast organisms which require a decolorization of 0.25 to 0.5% of sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. Next is the sulfuric acid required for decoloration as 1%. So what are the organisms? Acid fast organisms. Next is in case of the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. So Mycobacterium tuberculosis, what is the amount of sulfuric acid required for the decolorization? So we'll answer these questions and a lot more in this video. So firstly, we look at the acid fast organism Mycobacterium tuberculosis. So it requires about 25% of the sulfuric acid for the decolorization. Next group, it includes the Mycobacterium leprae. So Mycobacterium leprae as well as the oocyst of the Cryptosporidium, and next the oocyst of the Cyclospora, then also the oocyst of the Cystospora. So these require a sulfuric acid of 5% for the decolorization. Next class, we see the eggs of the Taenia saginata as well as the eggs of the Schistosoma mansoni. So these require a sulfuric acid concentration of 1%. Next, in case of the sperm head, so sperm head and the Legionella micdadi and nocardia. So in these cases, the sulfuric acid for decolorization is 0.5 to 1%. Next, looking at the bacterial spore. So in case of bacterial spore, the decolorization is 0.25 to 0.5%. Now to answer all the questions. So the first question was, what are the organisms which require the decolorization percent as 0.25 to 0.5. So the organism here is the bacterial spore. Next is the acid fast organism requiring sulfuric acid for decolorization, the percent 1%. So in this case, the organisms are the eggs of Taenia saginata. Next is the eggs of the Schistosoma mansoni. Then we spoke about the next question is, in case of Mycobacterium tuberculosis, what is the sulfuric acid required for decolorization? So this is about 25%.
This is Dr. Hub. Now let me tell you our story. Running with us, we are sure you will reach your destination with ease.